Hi guys, and tonight I'm going to be going on quite a bit of a longer run. It's 27 degrees in the UK. That's pretty hot in the UK. So I'm going to be taking with me my Camelbak Classic, which I've got just here. It's definitely one of those evenings where I'm going to need a bit of extra hydration. So stick with me. This video is all about this just here. I'm going to tell you my experiences that I've had with it over the last 7 months of owning it, and also some top tips on how it can do the best for you. Stay with me. It's going to be a great video, guys. Hi guys, I'm Shanebo. If you're new here, welcome. Press subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. So let's just get straight into this. So I've had this for about 7 months now. We're going to go out running with it in a minute. We're going to go down to one of my favourite fields and carry on filming some bits down there. There is an extra strap just here, just for it to go on just there. It's quite adjustable as well. This just dangles from here. I'll show you that in just a bit. Comes off quite easily if you do want to take it off. When I was doing some training back in January, when it was really cold, I take this out. It's pretty handy. Just in the bottom here, there is a little bag. So what I would do mainly with this is I'd wear a jacket in the morning, and then when I warmed up, I'd quickly take it off. While I was running, I'd obviously slow down, and I'd take the jacket off and put it in there. But it works really well underneath the jacket as well. If I just show you this, because it is pretty handy. So if you are running outside in the winter, you're doing some training, it kind of really neatly goes underneath as well. With the temperature, I definitely do not want this on tonight, so that can stay at home. What I'll be doing in just a moment is filling it up. So to fill it up, it's quite easy, guys. This part just comes open. You just fill it up into here, right underneath your tap, your faucet, and you just close it down and spin it around just there. My first top tip on this is once you've filled it up, there's going to be air in the top just here. Just push it, make sure there's no air in there, and then close it up. That will stop it from sloshing around. If you leave a load of air in there, it will be sloshing around on your back. But if there's no air, it's just really compact, really tight. So definitely worth doing. So we're not going to mess around anymore, guys. We're going to get away, we're going to hit the road. So let's just do this. So here we are, guys, in my field. So I did cheat a little bit because the Camelbak was actually placed in this bag just there. And the reason I did that is because I needed to bring a tripod with me and a microphone with me as well. But it wasn't a problem because this is so flexible. It was in my main bag and this still came round to my mouth, so I was still able to drink from it. So all those shots I took just a second ago for you were all taken in the bigger bag just there, but that works out really well. So if you wanted to, you could actually take the bladder out of here and put it in a larger bag if you wanted to, like that bag or something else. It does come out quite easily, guys, so really good just there as well. I have heard some horror stories of people putting hydration tablets or some energy kind of capsules in them, and it gets really dirty and gooey. So I'm staying away from that. There is an official kit you can buy, and I know it can be cleaned out, but I just don't want that level of hassle. If I want some kind of gels or something like that, or extra energy, then there'll be energy gels that I put in my pocket and break off and eat or drink as I'm going around, basically. So yeah, I really like that. So if you're a runner, do you need a Camelbak is the big question. No, you do not need a Camelbak if you are a runner. But if you're going to be doing lots of miles and there's going to be no water points around, then yes, you definitely need a Camelbak. I've been running for years without one of these. It started off with just a small bottle, and then I didn't take anything with me for a while, and then I upped my intensity and my distance, and then I upgraded to like a bout with 2 drinks on it. That worked out really well. But when I was training for the London Marathon last year, the 2 bottles weren't enough, so I'd have to go home, pick up some new bottles, and then go back out. So I didn't want that level of hassle when I was training for the London Marathon this year. So on my Christmas list was a Camelbak, and I got a Camelbak, which was really good. So I must have been a really good boy. So yeah, it's just works out really well from a long distance point of view, basically. So if you know you're gonna be going a long distance, it's definitely something to have just there for you. Just on the end of the bladder just here, there's like a valve just here. So at the moment, when it's pressed up like that, the valve is closed, and then you can have it like this. I run with it quite often, just kind of open, and then when I need it, it's just a case of drinking like that, and it just comes through. When you're sucking, basically, you just bite down a little bit, and then this kind of opens, look, just there, and the water just comes out through there, basically. So it's a great bit of kit, guys. It's not 100% essential, but something I wanted to show you on my run tonight. There's a couple of other videos coming up for you in just a second. If you've enjoyed the video, guys, then please sub. I'd really appreciate that. There's a link below where you can get one of these as well, and if you get it through that link, Amazon give me a bit of money as well, which is pretty cool. It helps me out. Put some comments below as well. I love your comments. They mean a lot to me, and I do answer pretty much every single one as well. So thanks again, guys.